was a part of the project where we actually build it through different materials. So Mama Shu keeps us thinking about that because she always talks about expanding and things like that. But I do feel like TRUE Skool would probably, I know how you said it's like kind of underground, but let's say like imagine it being like downtown and then you drive past and you see like the big TRUE Skool logo, like you gonna wonder what that is. But now it's kind of like hidden in the basement. So I feel like that would be really good like for the future of TRUE Skool, and it'll open it up to, you know, maybe people that's just walking past.
The outreach helps, but if, you know, with renovations and seeing TRUE Skool grow, I think it'd be very beneficial to our community. I think that it'd be very beneficial to the city of Milwaukee.
Fantastic. It'd be great. Absolutely. And it is, you know, we came, I want to say like 2 weeks ago, and they had like a huge meeting because we were getting ready for the summer jam. And there is technically enough space, but at the rate in which it's growing, and the way that I see they can incorporate other areas, right? Especially in like the media aspect of things. Live band, you know, they have like rooms for it, but I think that it could be expanded. I think there's a lot of what we do here that could just use that little bit of extra space. And then beyond that, the way that people are coming in and day out, continuously joining, we're gonna need a new space sooner than later. Yeah, absolutely.
I would love if TRUE Skool had a bigger campus. Like, and I love that it's like small, because like last year it was great when there was only a few of us. But I feel like I'll go and I'll meet kids and I'll think like TRUE Skool would be such a great place for this kid, but I know that they don't have the capacity to hold all of the kids that like deserve to come here. Yeah. So I feel like if they had a lot more space, if they got to get more staff, like if TRUE Skool got to have a bigger capacity than what they can hold now, I think it would be great, because it would be good for so many teenagers especially.
We have a particular consideration to treat artists well. And we know, like, historically and even currently, to be honest, you know, artists are usually the last to be put in budgets, even though everybody needs the arts. Sometimes we're undercompensated, especially in Milwaukee when we're not on the coast, and our idea of like the compensation to art, that we have a lot of catching up to do. So I think that TRUE Skool is really a trailblazer in so many ways.
People are seeing a lot of great development and a lot of forward movement towards bringing new energy in the city, and not just downtown. How does that look like to create that bridge of investment and positive energy and renewal to the whole city? And so that's what TRUE Skool's project represents.